How to replace the right armrest control panel on the Human Touch Certus massage chair. Start by turning the power switch, located on the back of the chair, to off, then unplug the chair. Carefully wedge a small flathead screwdriver along the edge of the control panel to lift the panel enough to pop it out. Press the tab on the connector to detach, making sure to secure the connector to avoid dropping inside the side panel. To install the new control panel, connect the cable. Then insert into the side panel, pressing down on all sides to secure.